We're back with another awesome property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one's located in El Poblado. It's walking distance from Parque del Poblado, Parque Lleras, and Provenza, but it's far enough away that you're not going to get all that noise. I would love to live in it because of that. Not only because of that, it is an amazing apartment as you're going to see here, but I love the fact that it's close to everything, but you're not up in the mix. You're not going to get all that noise. This is the first bedroom here. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath. This one has a full bath in it. All of the bedrooms have their own full bath, by the way, and there's a half bath outside. And it's been completely remodeled, as you can see. It's got the wood floors, the soft colors, and the tiled floors in the kitchen, or sorry, in the bathrooms, which is really nice as well. This is the kitchen slash living area. I love how they divided it there with that big countertop. Very inviting to have guests over for hosting, maybe having a cookover, etc. This is the half bathroom. Again, a different style of tile on the floor. Love that because it makes it really combines well with the wood floors, but it also makes it look almost like a country, style of decor or country style of design that is very cozy. This is the master bedroom here. It's got a king size bed and the 2 chairs here. Very large bedroom. And it's got its own full bath. I love the redesign here. I like what they did with the double sinks here. And they hid the shower behind this, which is nice, and the toilet on the other side, which is really nice as well. So again, this one is 132 square meters, 3-bedroom, 4-bath. It's in square feet, that's 1,400 square feet, just over 1,400 square feet. So there's a lot of room. This is perfect for a family, or for a couple, or even just a bachelor that wants a large place while they're here and maybe put it up on Airbnb because they do allow for monthlies. This isn't a 12-story building, so it's not a lot of apartments in here. They do have an HOA. If you want all of these details, make sure to check the description where I have all of that as well, including the price of the HOA, etc. So we're going to go back out. As we go back out, let's discuss the price. This one's listed at $330,000 US. The price is negotiable, and it comes with everything that you see here. This is the other bedroom here, another king-size bed and a full bath. Different style of tile on this one as well. And again, I love the design. It just makes it look so comfortable, yet it's modern, like these modern touches, like this shower right here. Really nicely done. This shower is really big, actually. This one has 24-hour security in the building, and it also has its own parking spot and storage room. It's 29 years old, this building, but obviously this one has been recently remodeled, redesigned. It just looks so nice. And my favorite part of the entire apartment is this patio area. Since you're on the first floor, you get this giant patio, which is amazing. So again, the square meters in the covered part of the apartment is 132 square meters. But this outside area is another about 122 square meters, which means that this is over 2,000 square feet of space. I love that that bonfire type area back there. This is the barbecue area. You can easily put a jacuzzi out here if you wanted to. If you've got kids, if you've got pets, this is perfect for them as well. And this is the living area. So if you like this apartment, make sure to click on the link in the description. I've handpicked 20 apartments. I've put them on a spreadsheet that you can download. So click on the link in the description, download it, and check it out. Also, if you want to see some more awesome properties, make sure to click on this playlist right here.